girly! This is my first time doing my face. Basta ako, nagkabuang ko sa akong yang yapot na gamay. God! Kagi! Na-test! Mutot ko na mabali, man. And hello guys, this is me Spot Bolba. Ching 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 ching. And today, as you can see, ganito yung pananamit natin. Wow, girly! Kuyawan. The high waist. Okay na siya. Dili na siya. Oh my gosh! Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Gamay na lang, gamay. My color for today is color brown because I want to feel like natural. So yeah, and atong himuon for today's video is that ako ang nawong naguba, although guba na magid siya daan. Pero ang kinako ang nawong is that rough kaayo siya kay brag namanit siya tungod atong last Sunday nako na activity, which is isaka ko og Alicia Panoramic Mountain View. And nag-sunburn guro, kuha kay ko ato last time. So wala magud ko nag sunblock last Sunday. Mao nang itong kay ko, and then ako pong kinipalit diri. Sige siya og pangatol kay brag na-irritate kay siya ba kay pag sunburn lagi. So yeah, karon is that nag-crave man ko og bread good kuan ba Spanish bread. So gahon-ahon ako na magawas na lang ko, and then adto na lang po ko og Tagbilaran kay mato ko sa Watsons kay mangita ta upang skincare for today's video. I've been craving for a bread for 2 weeks now. Ako nag-lunch roll, ako nag-rice na eh. Bala ko mag-bread. So, kini siya, mao ni siya ang public market, and then mao to siya ang ICM. So, tapad na siya. So, better than to park here kay mas daghan na siya ka-parking. Tapad na siya, and then dili na kamo labang. I'm back to the car and nakapalit na ka aning ato ang tawag ani para sa to ang naong tapos mahal na rin sa Watsons, no? Ba't lang anong nabuang man ang mga tao sa Watsons? So, this was my getup. Dili lang ko ipakita ninyo. Just go to my Facebook page or my Facebook account, my main Facebook account, which is linked in the description box below. So yeah, go check it out. Go check out my social media accounts. Yeah, right now this is my room, which is very, very messy. Here, the table is where I did my makeup. So, I just have a conclusion, guys. Do you know how hard it is to do the makeup? Especially sa ako I don't know if you can tell. Basta ako nagkabuang ko sa akong kiniaw sa akong eyeliner, ako ang mascara, akong kilay, brag, dili lang maklaro. Wala na ko siya sobraan o kanang grabe gyud na color akong kilay kay baga naman ako kilay, but kanang igora siya mawatlok ba. Grabe guys, it's not easy. That's why mauday na padugayan yun ang mga babae na mag-andam. Ako dili magkuku, I do not wear makeup every time I go out. So yeah, it's really hard. What if every time I go out I wear makeup, no? So my gosh, it will take time good. It will take time, at least an hour, because I'm not used to it. I'm not used to vandalize my face. So this one is just a lip tint, just for my lips, dry lips. And then yeah, usahira feeling na ko ni angay rabi apod ako ang makeup. What do you think, guys? Dili ra ko burikat. No. So yeah, I hope I look beautiful, but I think I did it. Yeah, I think I look beautiful. Yeah, I think so. Ay! Sanhid man ka! Kaya ngayon guys is that kiang yapot na gamay. Thankfully natay pain reliever. So yeah. So awkward yapon no. Makakita ang mga tao na mag-vlog. Laban lang yapon. Dito tayo kakain guys. Prawn farm. Let's eat. Table for one please. Guys, na to food. I'm so excited and duha pugkos ako ang paliton kay mahal kayo siya. I hope worth it ni siya. Let's go! Let's buy! We are here in DJI. Kining Mini 5 Pro. Ano sa bundle ano niya was?
Ano yung price difference? 3,000.
Wala may birthday discount na lang.
Birthday niyo?
Oo.
Birthday mo? Wala yung discount.
Nga yung birthday discount. Birthday! My first ever road. We got ourselves a new toy. But of course, a gift for ourselves. Since it's our 30th birthday. I cannot wait to fly this toy. Masa ka ma'am? Camper ka?
Wow, di ako.
Ala siya hanghabin. Nabay na rin. Hi ni ma'am. May ba siya kay naka Air 3S po sila og Mini 5 Pro. Diba?
Ano yung sabihin?
Isa kayo, kumato na rin na.
Pwede.
Tadaima! Nakapag Japanese. Woo! So yeah, guys, wait. So, again, we are at home na. Kauwi na tayo. And yes, guys! I'm so excited! Hindi ako makapakalit, guys! And time is 2:15. Yeah. Before anything else, guys, I bought this one because it's been a year. Last year ko pa talagang gusto to. But inuna ko tong Action 5 Pro. It's this first. So yeah, guys, meron na tayong Action 5 Pro na pwede natin dalhin kahit saan. Kahit anong weather. Kahit ano pa yan, rugged na rugged. Meron din tayong pang B-rolls, pang detailed shots, which is the Sony A6400. And guys, kulang na lang natin guys is yung aerial. Kaya, ito, kumuha ako. I bought it! I bought this guys. I bought it. I bought it. Actually, what I want. Gagi! Na-test! Na-test siya, guys! Grabe, na-test! She! Akala ko, you're a gunner na! Oh my gosh, wala mong Okay, wala siyang biyak, guys. Ah, grabe. Kita mo yun? Ano agad yung test ni Sony, ni Action 5 Pro. Kuha na.
Another one.
Lagay natin dito. Ah, grabe. Second. Ano ba to? Anyari dito? Ba't ayaw niya? Ganito na lang. Mas na desidido ako na bumili ng drone nung pag-akyat namin sa Alicia Panoramic Mountain View. Ang ganda talaga, guys, and yeah, sobrang nakakaano lang. Yung experience ko doon is that okay, solid talaga, but yung parang nabitin ako sa aerial shot. Naging motivation ko siya na bumili ng ganito, and baka sa susunod na panahon, for maybe next month, pag napag-aralan ko na to, is that baka may ipopost tayo sa Facebook na, oh, drone pilot dyan, sinong gustong mag-avail dyan? Yeah, sobrang ganda. If meron kang aircraft na sa'yo talaga, personal aircraft, is that matutodo mo talaga yung feeling na gusto mong kunin talaga. And to, i-unbox na natin to. Let's unbox this. I-unbox na natin to ngayon. I-unbox na natin to. At saka itatry natin na paliparin. Ano ng oras? 2:31. Meron pa tayo mga 2 oras bago tayo matulog. So let's go. Let's unbox this one. Is that? Okay, NDA stickers and manuals. Let's check your battery. Oh, that's kinanood to. Ayan. Yes, man. Let's ang sa itong sa front is that pa noted ko na mabali, man. Oh! Sheesh! Guys, tanawa. Hey! Guys, let's try to take it off. Take off the aircraft. Let's see. Wait lang.
Ito.
Oh shit!
Point up din.
Oh my god! Okay, let's land.
Landing.
That is so nice! Ang ganda man! Oh! Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Feeling na ako, daghan yung tagmalaaga na rin diri sa buhal. This is so nice, Lord. Thank you for everything. Anyways, I'm so happy, no? I'm so happy with my birthday because I finally bought my first aircraft, my first drone. And I just want to say thank you, kang God. Thank you, G. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the provision. Thank you for the help. Even though nagkakasaya tayo, but hinihil tayo ni G. Tapos, thank you so much. Kasi, even though, alam mo yun, feeling mo kulang, but still, meron pa parating, and palagi kanyang pinoprovide. He is the best provider of all, and wala talagang makakahigit pa sa kanya. And thank you so much, G. Kasi up until now, ever since na nabuhay ako, kasi you keep on taking care of me and keep on protecting me, lalong-lalo na sa daan, kasi I'm a living testament of that, kasi ilang beses na akong muntikan na mahagip sa daan ng mga sasakyan, yung mga van, ever since nung pagka-high school ko, pagka-elementary ko. Grabe, madami akong ilang beses na akong pwedeng mamatay talaga. And then, always niya talaga akong prinoprotect. And with everything na kung ano yung meron ako, una sa lahat, from the work, grabe siya mag-provide ng work sa akin. Palagi niya akong provide ng trabaho. Even though mahirap, lalong-lalo na noon, before tong pagiging virtual assistant ko, is that grabe siya mag-provide. And yung humility na binibigay niya sa akin, grabe ka wide, yung patience, yung dream, yung mga drawing na nasa isip ko, ngayon is nakukuha ko na. And thank you so much 4G talaga, kasi grabe yung realization ko this birthday na pagtungtong ko sa pagka 30 ko. There's a lot of things going on in my life, not in a way na yung parang pang content creator, but in a real life talaga, like sa sarili ko, personal, is that madaming nangyayari. I am happy being alone, and I am happy roaming around. Para talaga ako NPA. Ever since na nagtrabaho ako, NPA na talaga ako. No permanent address. So yeah, thank you so much kang Lord, kasi He's always there for me. And I don't know if the prayers are enough, but yeah, I always pray na hindi niya ako iwan, and always to keep on providing me. So yeah, thank you so much, Jay, kasi pinatungtong mo pa talaga ako ng 30 ko. And thank you so much kasi you keep on still loving me, even though you know na we are all a sinner. And yeah, I'm so happy with with my new toy. I can't wait to go around in Bohol, here in Bohol, para tingin-tingin ng mga tanawin at saka mag-capture ng mga moments na. So, but anyways, yeah, thank you for watching my video, even though it's a short video, kasi wala naman talagang masyadong nangyari. I just want to share to you kung ano yung pangyayari sa birthday ko. Nung Monday pala is that nag-pictorial ako, nag-birthday photoshoot ako, nag-DIY ako. Ako lahat! Man! Tapos, ito pala yung result. So yeah, if you wanna check it out, go to my social media account. The link is in the description box below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, again, this is me, Spot Brelva. Please don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe in everywhere sa social media platform. Spot Brelva everywhere. So yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.